Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing where the zip might live. Check Downloads, Desktop, and your user folder immediately. Once done, use a focus search for asterisk. Zip so you only see archive files. This is faster than name guessing. Make sure to show file extensions and enable hidden or system files because some archives hide. If you have an external drive or USB attached, include it. Doing this first saves time and avoids false leads. Once the surface search finishes, escalate to command line tools for thoroughness. Use PowerShell or Terminal to recursively list asterisk. Zip files, this finds things the GUI might miss. Make sure to run commands in the correct root or user path and pipe errors away so the output stays readable. Also, inspect cloud sync folders and any custom sync locations because many archives live only in the cloud. Running these steps ensures you find hidden or deeply nested ZIPs quickly and reliably. You finish by opening the folder that contains the ZIP and verifying its name, size, and date. This avoids extracting the wrong file. Then extract with a reliable tool like 7-Zip or the OS native utility, and move or rename the extracted folder to your preferred location. If you can't find the archive, make sure indexing is up to date, check permissions or the recycle bin, and confirm cloud-only files are downloaded. Running the search as an administrator often reveals files hidden by permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.